In this video, I'll be showing you how to recall email in Outlook. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to open up your Outlook account in your PC. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to the sent folders. So usually when you open up your Outlook account, you should be able to see the sent item section here. So go ahead and click on it. Look for the email that you want to recall some information. It is better that you do this method that I'll be showing you immediately when you actually send your email, or if you want to recall your email in the Outlook application. In this case, go ahead and look for that. And in this case, what we need to do is we need to totally open that email because the option to actually recall this is not available at the top ribbon here. So we need to double click on it so that we'll be able to see the full message or the full email. And now what we need to do is we need to look for the action section. So typically you have the actions at the top section here. Now, if your Outlook version that you have right now is different from what you see right now on my screen, then typically at the right section of the screen here, you should be able to see a 3-dotted icon. So in this case, you just need to click on it and you'll be able to see the action section. But in this case, let's go and click on actions and click on the recall this image option. Now, from here, you will have two options: delete and recopies of this message, and delete and recopies and replace with a new message. Now, these two options say it itself. So if you want to delete the unread copies of this message, you can go and choose the first one. But if you want to create a new message and place the previous email that you sent, you could choose the second one. Now, in this case, make sure that you actually do this immediately because you will only be able to recall image or emails that are unread. So meaning, if someone already read that email, then you will not be able to recall this and the recall method here would actually fail. In this case, just go and click on OK, and from here it's going to say you try to recall this message on the following date. And in this case, once we go back into our email here, it's going to give us some news if it's actually possible. Now, in this case, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes to actually apply. But in this case, that's how you actually recall your email in Outlook. And that's about it for this video. So I'll see you on the next one.